Elon Musk SpaceX released a faster version of its Starlink satellite internet service, coming with a $2,500 kit and costs 5 times the standard service. Ooh, 5 times the standard. That's okay. Starting to go up in price. I mean, I'd probably pay for the connection. I might need it. The premium kit is $2,500. The deposit is $500, and then the subscription is $500 a month. Ooh, that's no joke for a wireless connection. However, if you are in a remote location, often your options are quite limited, Will.
Mm-hmm.
If you're way out there in the middle of nowhere. The order page said the Starlink Premium Kit, which includes a dish, a Wi-Fi router, and a tripod, would cost users $2,500, whereas the standard Starlink Kit is only $499. The premium version apparently can expect download speeds of 150 to 500 megabits per second. It's not nothing, especially if you're out in the middle of nowhere.
Mm-hmm.
I could see people up in cottage country around here doing things like this.
Or the Arctic.
Oh, okay, or that's another level too. I don't know if it works in the Arctic. I know he was rolling out different latitudes as they were deploying more satellites. But you got a lot of people that they got to do work and video conferencing and such from the cottage or from a more remote location. If they're making money with their connection, they might be willing to pay $500. Now, I definitely have a subscription to Insider. I definitely do.
You do, yeah. I'll just log in right here.
Okay, good. There you go. You see that,
There
Vin?
you go. Hello, Lewis.
They try to boot us out, and I paid these people.
Ugh.
How many subscriptions do I have to have for this show? No, it's all right. It's fine. It's fine. I'm not complaining. It's fine. They do good work. Look, they do the research. They put the article. Vin, they put the article. We need the article. Vin, see how this business operates? It's not all about these hot and spicy chips over here. Although I don't mind those either.
They have a different image, a different look for these Starlink routers or dishes. They're like square. I think the premium ones. I can't find an image on it.
Oh, okay.
They're not round. Like
so
the
they
regular
changed the
ones.
design a little bit. Well, if you're going to charge 5 times the money, you got
it has to be square.
You got to do a square.
Yeah.
It can't be the same shape. You remember the previous story with the cat? Oh, maybe it's because the cats. Remember the cats were laying on top of the previous Starlink dishes, and they were screwing up the performance because they wanted to lay in the beautiful dish. Yes, they'll find a warm spot. Those cats.
Yeah.
That's why you can't just pull out your driveway. You got to take a look. Because remember, it was Britney Spears' sister. She was pissed at Tesla because she ran over a cat. And she's like, the cat didn't hear it coming because I'm in an electric vehicle. Remember that situation?
Mm-hmm.